Today I would like to discuss Leonardo.ai. This program here is an amazing program. See, I'm going into image generation here and showing you a little bit of what I do here. This has models that allow you to change and fine-tune what you want to do with your generations. And in order to do that, you select other model, and you can select community models. My favorite is Absolute Reality and Dream Maker, I believe it was called. But anyways, I have it set to generate one image at a time, costing me 1 token. Every day you get 150 tokens to generate whatever you please to do with it. And in this, I'm going to generate Scorpion from Mortal Kombat and improve my image with negative prompt and just the prompt in general. So here we are waiting on the generation here, and showing you the settings. Within the settings here, it shows the ones that have the purple next to them. You need Pro, and you can do Alchemy. Alchemy needs Pro too, so maybe it's not all. I think it's any of them things. You might need Pro. I'm not 100% sure. I'd have to go back through it and look. So that's the first generation of Scorpion. Wasn't the best. So let's add some negative prompt to it. And this is what I already had from a previous prompt. It's very important to have the negative prompt. So that way you don't get extra limbs or obviously lacking facial features or something. But anyways, I had recorded the video and thought I had included the voice, but now I had to go back through and re-record the voice over the video. So anyways, here's the second try. The hands are a little bit distorted, but it was a little bit better now that the negative prompt is on there. Let's see, how did I improve it next? Too many fingers. Let's see, generate. So maybe we'll change up the prompt next. So it looks like too many heads this time. Now it's getting worse. So it looks like I already had extra heads on there, though I tried it anyways. I was doing it all from my mobile phone, so it's a little more complicated than doing it from PC. But it's still a lot better than most of the programs out there. As for like mobile apps and stuff on Android, it's better to just use this one on browser, at least in my opinion. And you generate countless images, 150 a day for free. And with the video, it's 25 per video. So let's do that. Let's see, 25, 100. That's 6 generations total. Sorry, it's been a long night. I'm not mathing well. But anyways, so I change up the prompt to have Unreal Engine render. I don't know if 5.3 is the latest, but I was just going off of what I thought it might be. Might be 6. I don't know for sure. It's been a minute since I've been on Unreal Engine. So I improve it slightly by adding just these things. and that's the image I get. And this is the one I'm going to show you how to generate a video on. And again, the hands started to look weird to me. So I generate the video on this just to show you an example of the capabilities. I put it on 10, set it on max. So it looks a little distorted, but it's really cool, the result. So we give it about probably 30 seconds from now. And I believe I jump over into ChatGPT and improve the prompt and get better images soon after this. Jeopardy theme song playing in my head. Anyways, it's been a long time since I even seen that show. Here's the memberships. You get $10 a month, you get 8,500 credits. $24 a month, you get 25,000 credits. $48 a month, you get 60,000 credits. And this membership is definitely worth it. When I had the standard one a few weeks ago, when I was able to still afford it, it was amazing. I was doing countless things, just going through thousands of images. And I had it for probably about 3 or 4 months, maybe half a year before I finally wasn't able to pay for it because I changed up jobs and whatnot. But here we go back into image generation, and we take a look at the video, and that's the final result on a 10 weight. Now this could be used for all kinds of things, and especially if you get into like NFTs and stuff like that, you could be making all kinds of buku bucks, as my grandma would say. Yeah, thought it was cool, so I went ahead and downloaded it. It's kind of a massive change in results, adding that negative text. But here I'm gonna go ahead and improve it just a little bit more because I believe that I can with ChatGPT's help. Maybe I didn't do it right here. Oh yeah, that's right, I did open hands first, and then I went and cut it and then paste it into ChatGPT to improve it. You'll see that here shortly. See, because it just got worse. And I was like, yeah, that's not the results we want. And so I was like, yeah, what can we do? Then I was like, oh, okay, yeah, here we go. ChatGPT, I don't know why I didn't think of that from the get-go. ChatGPT is like one of the best tools. Yeah, see here I am writing a blog post for this very same thing because I'm going to connect this video to the blog on plotpulse.com. If you haven't checked out that website, I strongly suggest you check it out. It's interesting if you like stories or even want to learn how to practice gratitude or patience. Some of it's funny, some of it's horror, some of it's, yeah, just self-help. It's interesting, all free. But here I was like, that's bad prompt. So I was like, how can I improve it? And you may see my method here a little bit. Write my prompt better, and then I copy and paste the prompt that I had. And then this result is much better. This is what I was looking for. So I just copy, go back over, select it all, and paste over it. Well, apparently I delete it all. But of course, on PC, this issue would not be a problem for phone. It's like And then I was like, let's go ahead and generate one. And then I improved the negative prompt the same way through ChatGPT. And yeah, definitely brings some interesting results near the end. Especially when I switch up to photos. So I stopped trying to do scorpion because the fingers start irritating. Can't handle the fact when fingers are all like distorted, like half fist and fingers sticking out or extra fingers. It's just weird to me. Now please improve. Yeah, that's the negative prompt. And then select text, copy, paste. You get faster every time you do it on phone too, so. I mean, AI art, this is really cool subject to me because my standard art style is limited, I think. But see how its hands are a little better now. Got so many sticking out. Face and body features are a little more distinct. And so I switch up the amount of images here, and then I click alchemy, I believe. Yep. Here I am clicking alchemy, and that's when I found out you need to have a membership. So I think there is trial for new users to test out alchemy, which allows you to like change the types of prompts and do a little bit more detail. It definitely improves the quality of all your photos, definitely does, but it costs a little bit more in credits, but definitely worth checking out. And so here I am, I generate 4 images. See, now it's 4 tokens. I'm just giving as many examples as I can as to token usage and the kind of quality this program offers. And I thought it was kind of funny, his middle finger sticking up over here. So I kind of pointed it out there. See the fingers get weird, back of his hood. Got like tentacle finger in that last one down there. I was like, man, these still aren't terrible, you know. These are better than anything I can draw, actually, you know. So, I mean, or even 3D model, and I have a little bit of experience in that too, you know. So, I mean, I don't. But anyway, Leonardo.ai, definitely worth checking out and checking into. Here I am checking in Canvas on the mobile on Android. I don't know how it is on iPhone. It's probably a lot better than this. But this is Android's view, and you don't really get a lot to work with. So I don't recommend Canvas on Leonardo.ai through Android phones. Again, it's only available through the browser, so you're limited as to what you can do. I tried to mask the hands and sort of fix it up. Took me a minute here to figure out where to type the text and sort of pan around right. I was trying to delete this unnecessary masking line and couldn't, so I was like, okay, well, on to adding some prompt. Where is it? And now scrolling around, looking around, like, okay, well, that moves, maybe the whole thing does. Oh, there it is. And boom, and fix hands, and I think I deleted that, and I said fix distorted fingers, disfigured fingers, and burned 3 tokens for no reason, because I still have the same result, pretty much. Just that thing's moved over a little bit. It's like, okay, well, that didn't work. I'm not going to run 3 more credits. So, yeah, not recommended for Android to do Canvas. Not yet, anyways. They might fix it up in the future. They're always updating the app. And you got universal upscale, real-time generation, motion, canvas editor, which was that, and real-time canvas. Real-time generation allows you to go into it and type a prompt, say, dogs. You got dogs here. So then I delete one letter, you got a dog. Dogs again, same image. So I deleted it and put puppies. And they looked kind of sad, so I deleted it. And put dogs playing poker. And that's not poker. So I was like, dogs playing cards. And got the image I was looking for. That's pretty cool, I thought. Very cool image. So downloaded it, and then this is Community Works. I went back into image generation. I believe I go over Community Works a little more next time I'm back on the main menu there. But here I am going image to image. Let's get rid of this old image I had. Let's add this new image. And let's go with the spider. And I'm gonna go ahead and what did I use here? 0.48. Is that what I stay at? 0.4. So then I go up here and change the prompt to Black Widow Spider. Delete the words Mortal Kombat and from. I think I left the word characters. Should have probably removed that. And probably put showed the arachnid or something. I don't know. The spider probably is what I probably would have put. But I improved the negative text a little bit. Human features, animal features. That's a negative prompt. So when I generate it, I use 0.4 and got too many legs on there. Because apparently I didn't specify too many legs. So that's looks like an interesting alien type of plant or something. Which there's a lot of stories I'm working on, and the spider and the scorpion one was already one I wrote, and I'm gonna create a YouTube video with the narration of the story. Probably using AI again. Hopefully I can get a better AI program than the previous one I used, because I don't really care for the way the AI talks in it. But I would totally narrate it myself if my brain would allow me to. If you cannot tell, I am distracted just trying to do this. And here we go into generation history. See my results here, which here they are. less legs. That's more what I'm going for. So the higher the number, the closer to the original image. See, now these almost look identical to the original image. And I was going to say something about generating the video. It costs 25 credits, so that gives you 6 on a day-to-day basis if all you wanted to do was generate videos. However, creating the video and doing the images, I recommend just taking your time and taking your pace, exploring this AI software as much as you can. Leonardo.ai is one of the best softwares available, in my opinion. I suggest heading over to Leonardo.ai to check it out and see what all you can do with it. Be sure to share your images.